Namaste my friends, welcome or welcome back. In this video I would like to talk to you how to clean your yoga mat, but specifically how to clean your Liforme or Liforme yoga mat, or any mat which is made of rubber base and on top the PU or polyurethane. Because these are more gentle yoga mats, let's say, so you need to be more careful. First of all, I want to mention that practicing on these yoga mats, when you put your head on the yoga mat like this, I don't know if you're able to see, but there is a spot, dirty spot of the mark of the face that I just leaned on the yoga mat, which is not very nice, let's say. So if you're not using any towel to protect the yoga mat, most probably you will have to clean it much more often. In general, I would recommend once every 2 weeks, even though they're telling once per week. I think it's way too often. In general, you clean it when you feel that it's getting like dirty, you don't like it anymore, how the grip is, or you see that it's not that clean as it used to be. So see for yourself, it depends how much you practice. If you practice only once per week, by all means, most probably you will have to clean it only once per month or once every 2 months. So check that. Let's clean our mat together. I have here with me something that I'm using. They suggest to use a towel. I found this thing which is actually for the face. Don't worry, I don't use it for the face as well. But I think it's very cool to use it for the yoga mat. I keep it in the studio and clean it when I want. Then you will need a bit of water and some soap. You don't have to put it in this specific bowl or something. You just need to take as much or as little water as you prefer. Be sure not to have too much water and a couple drops of soap. Because if you put too much water, your yoga mat will take forever to dry. So I love to wipe it from back in front, but actually it doesn't matter. It's very cool because you can see immediately where you are passing. If there are some zones on the yoga mat that are hard to clean, actually don't worry, you can really rub them. But it's important that whatever you're using, you know, your towel, napkin, it's not very rough. It doesn't ruin. You can pass in all of the directions, but don't be very rude, because in the end, you know, every time we wash it, actually shortens the life, unfortunately. Okay, some parts are not going away. And don't worry if your yoga mat is getting dirty in general. It only means that you practice on it a lot. It's completely normal. And you pass once again your yoga mat, but now without any soap, to maybe take out the residual soap that is left. Our yoga mat is now clean. You need to give it time to dry completely, and then you can put it away till the next practice. Please take care of your mat. Clean it, because when you take care of your mat, the yoga mat will take care of you during your practice. I hope you liked this video. Please put the thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe for more videos to come. I thank you once again. Wish you an amazing practice on your clean yoga mat. Namaste.